We did more yesterday between the sale starting at noon till midnight than we did all of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the car right now with Greg and Leo.
Hey.
We have a very exciting day planned. We are actually headed to our California warehouse right now for Bloom. We have never been before, and we're headed to meet our team over there. We're gonna go see all of the Bloom products in the warehouse. Are you excited?
I'm like so incredibly excited. It's silly.
So basically we've never seen all of our products all in one place. Like, we have hundreds of thousands of bottles of Bloom at this warehouse and we've never ever seen it before, so this is really, really exciting. Leo's coming with. He's gonna help film for YouTube, so get ready.
Part-time filmer.
Exactly. CMO and part-time filmer. Is that the right thing?
Head of business development.
Just keep, titles don't mean anything.
We don't really have titles here at Bloom. We are headed to the warehouse right now. It's about an hour from our house, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when we get there. Then late tonight, like midnight tonight, we're actually flying to Miami to meet with our logistics team. It's our first time flying since we moved to LA, so pretty crazy. So we have a busy day ahead.
This is like outrageously exciting. So we have 3 awesome huge warehouses. We keep 60% of our product in Pennsylvania, 40% of Bloom product in California, and then 100% of Slay product in Chicago. So we're all over the United States, but we're going to the 40% of Bloom product California warehouse right now, bi-coastal for the Bloom team. And oh my God, I'm just like so excited to go see 100,000 bottles of greens.
Let's do it, guys. I'll check in with you guys when we get to the warehouse. Move it, tortillas. Just pulled up at the warehouse.
This is a beast.
It is freaking ginormous, Leo. Say hi.
What are we, like 30 minutes from Palm Springs right now?
Yeah, it is hot out here, and we are ready to go see our products. So guys, these are all the orders going out, one by one. Guys, look, pumpkin spice.
Hey, Mark.
Alright guys, every one of these boxes is full of product. See that? This is so exciting.
All right, we just left the warehouse and it was a really cool experience. What did you guys think?
One of the reasons we got this warehouse is because we honestly weren't qualified for this warehouse when we signed up for it a year or so ago. We wanted to lay the foundation for this company to just be able to grow to the moon, and the last thing you want is for your manufacturing or your fulfillment capabilities to be holding you back. And this place is capable of us being able to do 25,000 orders a day, which we are not even a fraction of that at this point. But just knowing that we can, and knowing that we could just keep on growing with you guys and not have anything hold us back, and not ever having our customer experience, aka our shipping time, be sacrificed with our growth, just means the world to us. So
and this is one of 3 warehouses we have in the US, and pretty soon we're thinking of expanding into the UK. Yep. They have warehouses in Ireland and London, so stay tuned. But that was really cool. Leo, any words?
I'm blown away. I mean,
this isn't
they gave us a full tour. It was super impressive.
This isn't 10 people with like a roll of tape and some boxes.
Yeah.
Like, there's computers, there's technology, there's AI, there's 3D scanning. The place is fucking spotless. I mean, this was serious. Even just on COVID standards, everyone's wearing their masks, Purell and all over the place. Like,
go team.
This is, seriously. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Go team.
What's up, guys? It is about, a week later, maybe more, maybe 10 days. I'm not sure. I do need to give you a formal apology because I was unable to put a YouTube video up last Sunday. It was my first Sunday I've missed in a while and I felt super, super bad about it, but I was simply too busy. Guys, things have been insane. The last clip you saw, we were visiting the warehouse. Oh my God, I'm dropping blueberries everywhere. We were at the warehouse, which was amazing. Such a cool experience. Then that weekend we went to Miami to meet with someone on our team. I can't disclose what he's doing because it's a surprise, but it's very exciting. Our team has like tripled in size recently. So we have all these employees in the office that we're onboarding, showing them how to do things, showing them the Bloom way, and that has taken up a lot of my time, but I'm back to filming. In 2 days, we leave for Cabo. Oh my gosh, this is our first international travel in over a year, which is insane. It's insane. Like my whole life, traveling has been like a big part of everything. Like since I was a kid, we've just traveled a ton. So it feels really weird to not have gone somewhere new in a really long time. I've been to Mexico before, but not to Cabo. So this is my first time to Cabo. We're staying in a super safe hotel. They test when you arrive and when you leave, and we're just going for fun. I'm so excited. So I've really been trying to get ready for this trip on top of everything else. So I kind of just want to fill you in on how I've been getting ready. I'm sorry, I'm so hungry. So the first thing I've been doing that pops into my head is I've been working out really hard. I think I hit a point in my workouts like a couple months ago where I had no motivation and I was just doing the same exercises over and over again. And I was just like, you know, ever since quarantine hit, I was working out from home. Luckily, the gym opened back up. So I've been going to Gold's Gym Venice, which is like an epic legendary gym. Most of you know that's where Arnold Schwarzenegger worked out. It has so much history and it's just like a really good environment. So I've been learning a ton of new exercises and just really getting into working out again. And I've been working out really hard and it feels amazing. I used to have this issue with like morning anxiety. I would wake up and just be anxious about my day. And these workouts are so physically challenging that I just don't even have room to have anxiety. So it's been really good for my mental health, but also really good for prepping for this trip. I've been eating my usual balanced lifestyle food. I'm still high fat, low carb. I'm having a fire yogurt right now with blueberries. Just eating healthy, enjoying myself on the weekend, but you know, keeping drinking to a minimum, sugar to a minimum. That's what makes me feel great. Drinking a ton of water. So yeah, today I am finishing up some work. I'm running to the office and then I do need to pack. There's a bunch of clothes that I need for this trip that have not arrived on time to my house. So I need to run out and buy some things. So we're doing that today. We need sunblock, we need all the vacation stuff. Before I run to the office, I want to show you guys where I'm at with packing and how things are going. And I feel like you guys haven't seen Lulu in so long.
Hey, are you busy?
Oh,
You are so stinking beautiful.
guys.
Oh yeah, you're mommy's sweetie.
She just brings me so much joy.
I'm gonna miss you when I'm in Mexico.
So guys, our assistant has a cute little dog that Lulu is friends with. So when we go away, she comes here and stays with her dog and they get to play the whole time. So it's actually really, really amazing. Okay, so let me show you the packing situation. Everything that I have gotten new or is like a vacation style, I've just thrown in here to make sure I'm getting a head start. So I'm not done yet, but this is a lot of it. The bags I want to bring, I always keep them in dust bags. All my shoesies, bikinis, but hopefully, fingers crossed, the rest of my stuff arrives because this is not enough. Any toiletries. Good thing my channel is mostly watched by women. I really just need to go through and see what else I want to bring. I want to bring some like fun tropical workout clothes for some nice content. I got a cute new bag that I want to bring. It's like a little mini backpack that could also be a crossbody. And then I just need to go through everything. So, oh, for sure bringing this. Sun hat. Oh. For sure bringing my sun hat because Mexico's hot. Okay, and then I do have my lunch prepped for today. I just made like a ground buffalo and tomato sauce with feta, like a pasta-less pasta, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna bring that to the office because I've been trying not to order in so much. I just hate when I get like reliant on that. Much better for me when I cook from home. I just think that I have less bloating and just more used to it. I feel like a mess today, guys. I had the best morning. I had the best workout. Like I went and got coffee. I had such a cute morning. But then I don't know, my anxiety just kind of hit today. Overall, I've been doing pretty well lately. I've been staying on top of like my DBT workbook, which is dialectical behavioral therapy, which is good to do if you have borderline like me or for anyone else that has overwhelming emotions. It's great for that. And I'm also joining an online group therapy soon, which will be great. Staying on top of this as well as my physique. This is more important, honestly. This determines everything. So yeah, let me pee and then we're gonna go grab lunch. By the way, if you see that my skin is peeling, it's because it is. I got a little microneedling treatment for my scarring and it just means that I peel slightly, but it's good. It's a good thing. Just did a quick little outfit change. It's definitely not the best I've ever looked, but you know, it's one of those days. It's a Bloom hat day. Cute. Now let's get our lunch. Oh, do you like my new nails, by the way? I went with a new shape. They are square rather than round. And at first I was like, oh, I don't like it. But now it's kind of growing on me. Okay, lunch, lunch, lunch. So this is my lunch in here. Yum. I put some like basil in there, some onions to keep it interesting. Now I just want to add some feta. That's good. And then I'll eat this at the office. So you guys know that my gallon jug actually broke in half the other day and a company named BKR saw that. So they sent me a nice glass one. So I've been using this for work. Very nice. I did get myself another gallon to keep at home, but it's just kind of annoying to bring back and forth to the office. So this is my office one. Okay guys, just parked the car. Now we're headed up to the office. We are in the office for the next 2 days. Greg and I are at the office every single day. Greg is here all day. I stay home sometimes to make content. We come every day to check up on everyone. So the goal today and tomorrow is to make sure everyone's good to go while we're not here, which makes us a little bit nervous, but they'll do great. I know you guys haven't met everyone yet, so that'll be fun. And then tomorrow I have a bunch of meetings. Just want to end everything on a good note. Get all of our work done so we can really relax on this trip. We're talking to Greg's mom right now.
So it is currently April 2021, April 13th. Yesterday the sale was April 12th. So if yesterday we did more in the 18 hours of yesterday between the sale starting at noon till midnight than we did all of April 2020.
Wow.
About 15%.
But not as good as Black Friday.
Not as good as Black Friday, but honestly close. And considering Black Friday is Black Friday, you know, we didn't even expect that. So top 5 day ever. You know, normally when you account for something like Black Friday, there's a big dip beforehand. You know, November's a quiet month. People are waiting.
Right.
There was no dip.
So most of you that have been subscribed to this channel since I started it like 3-4 years ago know that for the most part, for the beginning of Bloom, it was just Greg and I running the whole thing. My page obviously was first, and then from there we built Bloom's page and Bloom's business. We didn't have any help at all. We never left the house. We were constantly working, and now we have a freaking team, and I just want you guys to meet them because they are amazing. And we also have a dog here today. This is Cooper. This is Ashley's dog. Here is the entire team. Actually, where's Leo?
Oh, I think he's in a meeting.
The whole team minus Leo. This is Leo's chair. We have Sarah, our social media manager. We have Lindsay, who's kind of doing everything. Ashley, who does copy for us. And Derek, who's our influencer manager. And this is our... What are you doing here?
You freaking helping us? Thank you so much.
So this is the team. And it's pretty crazy, guys. Most of you just saw Greg and I for the first few years of Bloom doing everything. And now we have all these awesome people helping. So it's pretty crazy. Okay, Leo's back from his meeting, but he's always on phone calls, so I don't think he can say hi, but he's right here. We'll just never see his face. He's too mysterious for us.
I'm about to hop on another phone call.
He's literally always on the phone. Okay, guys, I'm here with Greg, and one of the main things we've been working on for a while is our next summer sleigh. So many of you that have been subscribed to my channel were super excited about summer sleigh in previous years, and we're doing another challenge. It's starting April 19th, which is coming up. It is called 6-Week Sleigh, and you can sign up right now when this video goes up. You can sign up at any time. I would recommend starting on April 19th because that is when the rest of the community is starting. When you sign up, you are joined to our email list with exclusive content, ways to track your progress, habit trackers, and things like that. We're really excited.
We're so excited. I want to speak for you here, but I feel like 6 weeks is like such a powerful perfect
Yeah.
amount of time.
It's
Like,
not too long, so it's intimidating, but it's like you could get so much done.
anyone could stick to anything for 6 weeks. Like 6 weeks is so doable, but it's also enough time to see like a major change in, you know, your mental health or a major change in your physical health
And
or
your
weight
lifestyle
or-
overall. And anything that's affecting your lifestyle overall is going to benefit you in your career. It's going to benefit your relationships. And summer is back on, guys. Like, I don't know about where you guys are at, but things are opening back up. Life is feeling more normal.
Our gym's been packed.
Our gym has been packed.
People are like getting back on their grind. Our office is filling up. Like our office campus areas are filling up. It's so exciting.
It's honestly so exciting, and it's motivating me to want to be like the best version of myself this
It's like,
summer.
yo, we just missed a year. If you think I'm gonna make 2021 not our best year yet, then you played yourself. You know what I'm saying? No, but check this out. So when we built the app, one of the things that we really wanted to do was like build this whole back end where we could see, like, I'll just give you a little preview of how many users we have, how many times someone has submitted their side lateral that they've done, right? So after we announced this challenge, there's just been a surge of people joining the community, which is crazy because the community is already huge. There's over 90,000 registered users on the Slay app today.
That's crazy. I mean, think about
Dude,
that amount of people
that's-
just like doing the same workout as you. That's so cool.
That's more than a Super Bowl stadium.
Yeah.
That's
and also,
outrageous.
guys, keep in mind, Greg and I are doing the challenge with you. Plus, one of the perks of the challenge is that you get virtual check-ins with Greg and I. So we'll be doing 2 Zoom calls with all of you, and we'll be answering your questions and just hearing about your journeys and telling you guys how we've been doing. So that'll be super exciting.
That is super exciting. That's
We've
awesome.
never done that.
Yeah, I love
So sign up. I'm gonna put the link to sign up in the description box. It's just on the Slay website. It's a different landing page. You'll go, you'll see the video describing the challenge, the habits that are a part of the challenge, and you'll have the space to sign up.
Heck yeah. Let's do it, guys. 6 weeks left. You got
And our
this.
whole team's doing it. They are so excited. None of them have ever done a gallon of water a day, and that's one of the habits.
It's also one of my favorite like health
Oh yeah.
things. Like, it's doable. You'll feel the results. You'll literally lose weight on the scale from doing it because your body won't be holding water because it knows it's getting so much water in. It's so good for you. It just flushes you out, and we do a gallon a day religiously.
But I'm pretty sure the whole team is gonna be running to the bathroom like every 2 minutes.
Do we need to get a porta potty?
We may, because the bathroom's kind of far away in this
Low-key.
office, so every time you have to pee, it's super annoying.
That's hilarious. Clear P gang, signing out.
Okay guys, with all of that said, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Comment below your favorite part. Was it the warehouse? Was it the challenge? Like, what are you most excited about? We love you guys so much. Again, I am so sorry for missing last Sunday, but I'm back, I'm here. Love you guys so, so much. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.